Alright, in this tutorial we're going to cover how to navigate inside Substance 3D Stager. When first opening Stager, you'll see that the screen is divided up into different panels. We have these over here on the right that contain our models, our materials, our lighting, and our images, and then over here on the back we have the scene and different actions and environment visibility. We'll talk about those in future episodes. We also have up here design and render. For this tutorial, we're going to stay in the Design tab and focus on the viewport, which is the center right here, in the center. The viewport shows you your 3D world. It's also known as a scene. You place your 3D objects within the scene, so it's important to know how to move around inside of it. Over here we have our camera controls. There's three main forms of movement inside this viewport. We have orbit right here, which will let us, if my camera goes, it'll let us go around. Okay, we have pan, and that'll let you move up or down, left or right. So that moves my cameras up or down, left or right. Great. And then we have dolly, which will zoom forward or backwards. Okay, in the panel on the left you find those, that's where we find these tools. You just select a tool and perform the movement. The best way to move around is to use shortcuts. So the orbit shortcut would be to hold down Option if you're using Mac, Alt for PC, and then hit the left mouse button. You can also hit the #1 key on your keyboard, so that's for this one. For pan, it's Option for Mac, Alt for PC, and then the center scroll button will move you forward or back. And the dolly shortcut is Option or Alt, and then the right mouse button, or you can hit the number 3. So they are 1, 2, 3. So that's your shortcuts there. You can also quickly move the camera to show a specific object by having that object selected. So let me get my selection tool. I'm going to select only this, and I'm going to hit the shortcut F for frame, and this is called framing the selection. If nothing is selected, all the objects in a scene will be framed, or you can also frame all objects by hitting Alt, I don't know what that is, Command F, Control F, Shift F, Function F, I don't know, it was one of those. I go usually, I don't use a shortcut for that, I'll go to Camera, Frame All. So for me it was Shift F, I'm on a Mac. Okay. Ray tracing by default. Stager's viewport shows you the scene using real-time rendering. Our ray tracing tool is up here. You can toggle ray tracing on. Let's see. Ray tracing, turn on ray tracing. Okay. So I can turn it on with this switch at the top right of the viewport, and that'll let you preview your final output. It looks a little grainy when I do this, so you know, it won't be as good as your final, but it'll give you more light and shadow options. So have fun navigating your scene.